ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಫ್ಯಾಷನ್ನಿಂದ ಹೊಸ ಮಳಿಗೆ ಗುರುತು ಅನಾವರಣ, ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ ಮೌಲ್ಯದ ರೀಟೇಲ್ ಭವಿಷ್ಯದ ಮರುವ್ಯಾಖ್ಯಾನ. ಭಾರತದ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಫ್ಯಾಷನ್ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಫ್ಯಾಷನ್ ತನ್ನ ಹೊಸ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಗುರುತನ್ನು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಫೀನಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಸಿಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿನ ಫ್ಲಾಗ್ಶಿಪ್ ಮಳಿಗೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾಲನೆ ನೀಡಿದ್ದು ಇದು ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಗೆ ಆಕರ್ಷಕ ಹೊಸ ಅಧ್ಯಾಯದ ಗುರುತಾಗಿದೆ. ಈ ಹೊಸ ಗುರುತು ಪರಿಷ್ಕರಿಸಿದ ಲಾಂಛ, ಆಧುನಿಕ ದೃಶ್ಯ ಭಾಷೆ ಮತ್ತು ಮರು ಕಲ್ಪಿಸಿದ ಮಳಿಗೆ ವಿನ್ಯಾಸವನ್ನು ಪರಿಚಯಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದು ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ನ ವಿಕಾಸವನ್ನು ಉತ್ಪನ್ನ ಪ್ರಥಮದಿಂದ ಅನುಭವ ಕೇಂದ್ರಿತವಾಗಿಸಿದೆ. ಇಂದಿನ ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್, ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸ್ಟೈಲ್ ಆಸಕ್ತಿಯ ಗ್ರಾಹಕರಿಗೆ ನಿರ್ಮಿಸಲಾದ ಈ ಹೊಸ ಗುರುತು ಹೇಗೆ ಭಾರತವು ಮಳಿಗೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತು ಈ ನಡುವೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆಯೂ ಫ್ಯಾಷನ್ ಅನುಭವಿಸುತ್ತದೆ ಎನ್ನುವುದನ್ನು ಮರುಕಲ್ಪಿಸಿದೆ. ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಫ್ಯಾಷನ್ ಸದಾ ಮಹತ್ತರ ಸ್ಟೈಲ್ಗೆ ಪರ್ಯಾಯ ಹೆಸರಾಗಿದೆ. ಆದರೆ ಇಂದಿನ ಗ್ರಾಹಕರು ಮತ್ತಷ್ಟು ನಿರೀಕ್ಷಿಸುತ್ತಾರೆ ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತತೆ, ಸುಲಭ ಮತ್ತು ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಹೊಸ ಗುರುತು ವೈಯಕ್ತಿಕತೆಯನ್ನು ಸಂಭ್ರಮಿಸುವುದು ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಖ್ಯಾತಿ ಪಡೆದ ಅದೇ ಭರವಸೆಯನ್ನು ಪೂರೈಸುವುದು ಎಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಫ್ಯಾಷನ್ ಸಿಇಒ ಸುಮಿತ್ ಚಂದನ ಹೇಳಿದರು. ಹೊಸ ಮನಸ್ಥಿತಿಗೆ ಹೊಸ ನೋಟ ಹೊಸ ಬ್ರಾಂಡ್ ಗುರುತು ದಿಟ್ಟ, ಸರಳ ಮತ್ತು ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದು ಹೊಸ ಭಾರತದ ಪ್ರತಿಫಲನವಾಗಿದೆ. ಈ ವಿನ್ಯಾಸದ ಭಾಷೆಯು ಮಳಿಗೆಯ ವಾಸ್ತುಶಿಲ್ಪ, ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಫಾರಂಗಳು, ಪ್ಯಾಕೇಜಿಂಗ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸಂವಹನದಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಸ್ತರಿಸಿದ್ದು ಒಂದು ಸಮಗ್ರ ಮತ್ತು ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿಯುತ ಅನುಭವ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. ಹೊಸ ಮಳಿಗೆಯ ಮಾದರಿಯ ಪ್ರತಿ ವಿವರವನ್ನು ನ್ಯಾವಿಗೇಷನ್ನಿಂದ ಲೈಟಿಂಗ್ವರೆಗೆ ಮುಕ್ತ, ಅಂತರ್ಬೋಧೆಯ ಮತ್ತು ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸುವಂತೆ ಮರುರೂಪಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ.
Grew up in as a teenager, in fact in Whitefield itself, so a lot of memories for me. Great to be back.
Okay, to begin with, can we maybe get you to say Namaskara Bengaluru?
Namaskara Bengaluru.
How nice, how nice. Okay, one word for the new Max.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕನ್ನಡ ಗೊತ್ತು, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ.
Maybe we can get some Kannada out of you. One word for the new Max.
How do you say it? Sakat. I don't know how to say it. Max Sakat.
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 Yes.
Sakat. Max Sakat.
Wonderful, I love that. And we can see the incredible collection in the new store. Do you have a favorite collection or a favorite line?
I think actually the kids section is just too good. There's just so much choice. The kids and my daughter is very happy about that.
Did she enjoy the Lilo and Stitch collection? Because I know my kids loved it.
She's a big fan of Stitch. She has a Stitch cuddly that she sleeps with, so yeah, anything to you know, to both places have my heart because they're both my homes. Bengaluru, of course, the weather is perfect, and I have very good memories of growing up in this city. But of course, Goa is my home now. I think the diversity in their collections, they have so much choice for every kind of person. I mean, it's been great getting to know you, Sumit, over these shoots, and I think you're doing a fantastic job. I love the new store and how you guys have designed it.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, I'm happy that we're getting more faces to the brand. That's always a plus, and we want all kinds of people to join in.
Well, I love this. Look at the camaraderie. They're fighting over who gets to welcome who first.
And I was just thinking about our last interaction in Mumbai, and her intellect and her understanding just blew me away then, and it sure is right now. So it's always a pleasure, and I think Kalki truly embodies our brand, right? Because that brand is not frivolous, it's full of substance. She just talked about diversity, something that we're really so proud of. In fact, we employ PWD staff in all our stores. We have over 600 such people, and we truly change their lives. So I think it is really absolutely fantastic to have Kalki here and as part of our brand.
Max Fashion India.
Absolutely, kudos for you guys to do that. I think we need to normalize disabled life, and to see them visible in a store like Max is wonderful. My favorite moments is with the whole team, having finished a long shoot in Cape Town, and just kind of finishing a nice, beautiful day in Cape Town. Yes, it's very different from the other stores. It's got a very new design, and it's also very flexible. So the fact is that you can change the store around at any point, depending on what season, if it's Diwali or it's a kids festival or whatever. So that's really the flexibility that this store has. As I said, I think that's what's clever about the design. Everything is movable, and that means that you can change the whole look of the store. Well, Bangalore is one of the most popular cities in India for Max. I think they have over 1 lakh footfall a day. So in this store particularly, so clearly, you know, it's very popular and Bangaloreans love Max, so we're here for you guys.
This is our hometown, right? This is where our head office is. This is where we live. And this is also one of the most vibrant cities. This is where, in many ways, the new mecca of retail is, because you see fantastic malls in this city, the best brands in this city, and what better place than Phoenix Market City to actually launch a new store. And this is just the beginning. You will see many of these kinds of stores pop all over, but always remember that the first store here was in our own Bangalore, or Namma Bangalore.